Hey Siri, is foundation repair dirty?
I've got an answer for that.
Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So, is foundation repair a messy job? The answer is yes. There are definitely cleaner things in life than foundation repair. But we try to maintain it as best we can with our crews. So our crews will use visqueen or plastic wraps down on your yard to kind of keep the dirt confined, wash down the area when we're done, that type of thing, to try to minimize the amount of dirt and inconvenience it is to you. We know it's not the most fun thing for you guys to go through, and we want to try to eliminate some of the stress out of your life after the fact when we get completed with the project, because I'm sure we're at the beginning stages of a more massive, grandioso type endeavor you guys are going to take on with your house. So hopefully that answers your question. And again, don't be completely afraid of the dirt and things of that nature. We are digging holes, cutting concrete, so it's going to be messy, but we'll try to maintain it the best we can. And that is your foundation repair tip of the day.